It goes. Cheers guys, before the battery dies, enjoy this walk review, including going down the lift. Come on, keep walking. Right, this is how good I am with station reviews. There we are. Oh, oh yeah guys, on our way we've got a passing train. Just as we're halfway on the walk video. This is how I do this is how fun my job is. Here goes. Oh, so I'm going to interrupt him on his phone now. Just halfway through the walk review. Right, keep walking. Give it. Right, you got everything. Good. Look, them guys are looking at the camera, they think I'm capturing them. Look how lovely they were. So did Mel said she's on her way. Giffy, this is driving me nuts now, look. Keep an eye on behind as well. If you see a light coming, you know it's another one. Nothing coming still. We might get on the lift before it passes.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. Platform 1 for the 1950 Transpennine.
Oh look, here's another train. Mel might want me to see this train. You know what she's like. I'm filming a walk review and now I've got a train coming.
Oh, came as soon as I could. Oh, bless you. I didn't think about that. They were late in taking Peter. Oh. And I thought, oh my God, I can't go because Benjamin was... the lamps in the hallway and everything.
This is so tricky.
It's too cold.
So I'm going to do something really funny now. So that's Transpennine's first class. Now, where's that lift? My camera's still managing.
Why didn't you go in the lift? Oh, the lift. Yeah, the lift. I'm definitely not walking now. I'm just thinking. No, it's that.
I'm with my...
Yeah. It's the that's in there. Up and down, yeah.
Yeah, we've...
See you at the bottom.
Alright.
See you at the bottom. I'm trying to keep it while I can.
Roger that.
See if I can beat them.
Oh, we soon see. That's still recording.
It's taking ages.
She's already beaten us, I tell you that now.
Yeah, she'll be down there going, we're waiting for the lift.
Okay, so that's, remember that's 1,391 points.
Yeah.
Wait till Jealousy Davy Boy will see this.
He'll be jealous, he'll be jealous. So that's 20, what is it, 23?
Open!
23, was it 23 planes we saw?
Yeah.
We saw loads of planes, 23.